So I've been wanting to make a video about this little thing for a while. I'll show you now what it is. Just a second. So this over here, as Ridar would say, this is a power bank for my car. Basically, this is like a battery pack, and you can use this to jumpstart your car. But this thing is like really cool. I'm going to show you how it works in a moment, because the Camaro has been standing, and so the batteries run down and it's not starting up. So over here, so this is where you put in the cables to connect to the terminals on your battery. You can use this thing to charge stuff. So it's got two USB ports you can use to charge things. This USB Type-C port over here is used to charge the bank itself, which is really cool because most of us have Type-C in any case, so you can charge this thing up. When you click here, it tells you how much percent it has on it. So right now it's completely charged because I haven't used it since the last time I charged it up. And it's really cool. It's got a flashlight as well. Let me just see, I think you hold this button. Yeah, and you can let it SOS in Morse code as well. So if you needed help, you could use this to send a SMS. Not that I think anybody's really using Morse code these days out on the roads, but anyways, is what it is. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. It's really cool because this thing can hold like up to 80% of its battery for a year. So even if you don't end up using this thing, you charge it full, you can leave this thing in the boot of your car, trunk, whatever you want to call it, and you can use it whenever you need it. For a V8 like mine, it's said to do about, I think, 8 startups. For smaller engines, it can do a lot more. I think it's like 40. But yeah, obviously my engine's a bit bigger, so it takes a bit out of this. But I'm going to show you guys how strong this thing is in a second. Let's go outside. Up to the Camaro. I just want to show you guys the car is pretty much dead at the moment. Yeah. As you can see, it says it's in battery saver and that the battery is low. If I try to start it up, it's dead. So we're going to connect this thing onto the battery in the boot. Actual power cable for the jumpers. As you can see, there's a negative and a positive. And this goes to this thing over here. Trying to hold the camera and open this thing. Okay. Let me just get that in there quickly. Once you put that cable in there, it's going to flash green and red like this. And if you've connected it onto the battery correctly, so positive on positive and negative on negative, then this thing will stop flashing and it will just be green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on positive first and then negative, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, so as you can see, positive is on positive, negative on negative, and it stopped flashing. It's green now. And now we're going to go in and start the car. When they are completely drained out, or when you've disconnected the battery, before you can start the car up, you basically need to program it. And how you do that is you start with driver side window. Sorry, I'm out of breath. So down, driver side window up. Then you need to do passenger side window. So passenger side window down, passenger side window up. In this, we had no battery. Let's see if we get anything now. Much stronger. Like no effort even. Hashtag cold start because it's been a few days. Gotta love it. I'm gonna put the link in the description for anybody who's interested in buying one. I bought this off of Amazon. So yeah, that's about it. Let me get this thing disconnected, and then I'm going to take the car for a drive so that I can charge up the battery a bit. Thanks guys.